Here we come to the elevator at Hurley Administration Building at University of North Texas, Denton, Texas. Oh yes, a tastefully modernized elevator that still has the gate. 4 is locked, I assume.
I believe so, if it's not flashing.
Oh, never mind. Here we go.
We'll go back to 1.
I think 4 is locked. I thought it was open for a sec because the button lit up longer.
It's not.
You may think your cab is just your typical stainless steel, but at least they kept this. I might do 3 run trips on this elevator just to get both the indicator and the view at the same time in a full wide angle.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get off here. You can do your separate video.
Okay, cool, thanks.
No problem.
All right, once Hanny is stepped off, we're gonna go up to 3 and look out the back. Down to 1. All right, I think I might do it for one more ride in 4K format. Here we go. Back down to 1 and there. This is an amazing elevator, I gotta say, even though it's modded, but still retains. Still retains their original character, such as the gate in the back, which I really love the most. All right, there it goes, and that's it.